Okay, you guys, if you need a sign that you are always guided and that you are not walking this path and this life alone, I'm about to prove to you that angels exist. So I've kind of been having a morning, okay? Like I've been a little bit triggered by some people and I've had to move really big emotions this morning. And I just asked my angels for some guidance, like just let me know that I'm on the right path and let me know that everything is actually okay, even though I can't see it. I am not kidding. Like, it doesn't even fit the entire screen. Have you seen a feather this big? Where does this feather come from? Like, does anybody who's a bird expert or like whatever? What is this? I've never seen a feather this big. I've literally never, because I have a box of feathers where I collect feathers. It's kind of like my souvenir from the universe, but I've literally never seen a feather that big. And obviously it's not going to fit in my little box. But the minute I saw that, I was like, I'm okay. Like everything is okay. I don't have to worry. Like everything is being taken care of. And what I was perceiving as a block or a challenge or an obstacle is actually not. And then I start to remind myself that everything is the meaning that you give it. Wow, guys, I've been doing this the whole time and it's like my mic is not even plugged in. So anyway, yeah, sometimes we are not able to see whether we're on the right track, whether whatever is happening to us is actually happening for our highest good. Like, I understand that. I have been there. I was literally there this morning where I was perceiving something as a challenge and a block and an obstacle. And I was like, this is going to be the death of me because, we can get dramatic, but it's not. And the most interesting part is, it's not like I needed to see that feather to feel a certain way. It's just that it allowed me to tap into my intuition in that moment. Because when I saw that feather, immediately there was like this sense of knowing and like this voice within me that was like, everything is good. Like whatever that you think is a setback is not a setback. The meaning that you're making over this person treating you a certain way is not even that. I love getting signs and nudges like this from the universe because it really reminds me that we are the co-creators of our reality and there's nobody outside of us that's more powerful. And the way that my angels speak to me is through feathers. So this makes sense to me. Like, I don't even know where this could have, I've never seen a bird this big in my neighborhood. So I'm like, what? Where did this come from? I'm still like, my logical mind is still trying to make sense of this, but yeah, like literally I saw this and I'm like, oh yeah, I'm not doubting ever again about this thing because what the hell? Like if this is not the sign of all signs, I don't know what is. But anyway, just a little reminder if you're going through something, okay, that there are so many things behind the scenes that you cannot see and things are always working out in your favor. So chill out, relax, everything is okay, everything's gonna be okay. What you are perceiving as a challenge could be just growth, could be like, the stepping stone that you need to get to the next level. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.